For October's National Self-Build and Renovation Show, we're going back to basics, covering the core topics that every self-builder needs to know. My name's Harvey, and I'm going to run through 5 reasons why you should attend our autumn show. Number 1, finding land. We know that finding that perfect self-build plot is one of the biggest barriers for our visitors. So twice each day we'll be running a finding land and appraising a plot surgery held in Potton's show home. And Build Store will be showcasing some live plots that are available right now in their plot search area. Reason number 2, funding. If you're at the early stages of a self-build project, you might be wondering the best way to finance your build. We have leading experts Build Store on hand both days of the show, giving one-to-one consultations. They'll also be giving a seminar each day on how to fund your project. In addition, we'll be giving an update on the government Help to Build scheme, an equity loan scheme designed to make self-building more affordable. Reason number 3, choosing your building system. This is one of the big decisions for any self-builders. At the NSBRC, we have these fantastic life-size exhibits, and we'll be giving guided tours of these areas during the show. Also, don't miss our Battle of the Building Systems session, a question time panel style session where we will answer all of your questions. Reason number 4, design. It's really important that you're happy with the final design of your self-build home. So we have a number of architects and designers on hand to sit down with you, look at your plans and ideas, and help you achieve that perfect design. We also have a number of self-build case study seminars during the show. And reason number 5, planning. Planning can often be a challenge for self-builders, so we have independent experts on hand to help you with any issues or questions you might have. They'll also be giving a seminar at 2 p.m. each day of the show. And remember, if you're doing a renovation or a home improvement project, we'll be offering guided tours of our renovation house each day. We also have a special renovation seminar at 10 a.m. on both days of the show. With hundreds of exhibitors, a heating surgery, our independent help desk and much more, make sure you book your free tickets to our autumn show today.